See, molecular gastronomy is not a cuisine, it's techniques of cooking, which is based on scientific principles, and it can be applied to any cuisine. For me, I have had the distinction of being the pioneer of having it in India, and I think it's been a great pleasure. Guests have enjoyed it, so have I. For me, I am the biggest fan of Indian home cooking. I think there is no greater cuisine in the world than Indian cooking and that is because not because of the Mughals or not because of something that someone has done in a very great manner. The most important heritage of India is its home cooking. Imagine how many homes we have and how often we cook at homes. And if we are able to create an archive of such recipes which are cooked in different homes, it's going to be really amazing. We need to really do that soon because a lot of generations are passing away and the recipes are dying with that. So it's very, very important. I think as far as molecular gastronomy is concerned, it's the trend of the time, a lot of new things happen. It's a progression, it's a natural progression, it's a development. Like today, we have roasting, grilling and baking. These are normal methods of cooking considered but one day, when it was in the past, it must have been also something new. When the first grill was invented or when first oven was invented, so it would have been a new thing. So similarly, the collection of cooking techniques that is provided by molecular gastronomy is being used across cuisines to create a new dining experience. And you do not have to be, there's nothing known as a molecular gastronomy restaurant. So you can apply it to any cuisine and give customers new dining experiences. See, I think that today customers are becoming very demanding. How long can you serve the same thing time and again? It's important that people, chefs, as well as restaurateurs, they innovate and bring in new techniques, new methods of cooking, new cuisines, and that brings about a variety and dynamism in the market, which is the essence of growth for any food and beverage market.